I looked online and saw that Aloha Maids had over 1,000 stellar reviews. I thought to myself, they must be expensive. My friend Julie uses Aloha Maids, so I asked her how much it would cost to get my house cleaned. She told me the price could be as low as $200 for an apartment or even less with a discount code. She also said that she even got a discount of 25% off her bi-weekly cleanings. She further explained that it all depends on the size and condition of your home. You can go to alohamaids.com and get a free quote right now. For a recurring or repeat service, the cost is even less. Aloha Maids uses a flat rate price, so the price you ask for is usually the exact price you get at the end of the service. I decided to give Aloha Maids a call. A very polite customer service agent greeted me. "Aloha, my name is Christy," she said. I told her the size of my home and got a quote for $165 and only $140 for recurring services for a once-a-week cleaning. I asked her if the price may change after the cleaning is done. She explained that many of their competitors charge by the hour, and that is typically the reason why the price often changes at the end of service. I asked her, what makes Aloha Maids house cleaners better than their competition? And how do they have so many stellar reviews? She said that they only register the most highly recommended cleaners in the business. More importantly, if you like your house cleaner, you can have the same cleaner come to your home every time, guaranteed with our legendary Aloha Spirit. "Wow, that sounds great," I said. "Can I schedule a cleaning appointment today?" "Absolutely. I'll set you up with one of our highly recommended service providers," she said. Scheduling an appointment was quick and hassle-free. I picked out the extras I wanted, including hand-washing the baseboards and doing the laundry. Tasks that I dreaded. Christy ensured every detail was covered to make the cleaning special. Sandra, my cleaner, arrived the next day, friendly and communicative. After the cleaning, I was amazed at the transformation. My home looked and smelled amazing. Aloha Maids followed up to ensure my satisfaction, and I happily left a 5-star review. I also learned that if I needed a last-minute cleaning, I could reach out to Aloha Maids and book the same cleaner, or if Sandra wasn't available, they could easily find a replacement. I have to say, I am loving the Aloha Spirit. Aloha Maids serves all of Southern California, Ventura, Santa Barbara, San Jose, and Sacramento. They've expanded nationwide to Las Vegas, Nevada, Miami Beach, Florida, Jacksonville, Florida, Nashville, Tennessee, Fort Worth and Dallas, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, New York, and Seattle, Washington. Aloha Maids benefits are no cash payment, easy secure credit or debit payment through the Aloha Maids dedicated portal. You aren't charged until your house is cleaned. Aloha also provides organized appointments with automated updates on your scheduled cleaning, plus follow-up from Aloha Maids staff to ensure you had a great experience. They only register verified service providers. They do in-person interviews and track reviews, opting only to work with house cleaners who consistently get stellar reviews over time. Translators available if needed. Communicate to Aloha Maids via text message in real time. The Aloha Maids cheerful and helpful support team is available 12 hours a day, 7 days a week. You may book online at alohamaids.com or call 1-888-99-ALOHA to talk to a real person.